Oh. Wow.
Yeah.
You can swim now. Come on. Yeah.
Yeah, come on, swim. Come on, use your feet.
Yeah.
Come on.
Wave your feet.
Swim.
Wave your hands.
Until you reach here. Come on. You can do it. Come on, swim.
Wow.
Swim.
Wow. Very good.
So good. Oh, you're so good. See? You're swimming now.
Let me see your cheek. It's trembling.
So lamig. Yeah.
What can you say about the water?
It's too cold.
Too cold.
Too cold?
Come on, you swim back there.
Oh, you swim. Come on.
Swim back.
Swim again.
Swim back.
Yeah, this time
Yeah.
on the other side. There.
Going to the other side.
Follow
Come
me.
on.
Follow me.
Come on.
I'm following you.
Oh, come on.
I'm following.
Come on. Follow.
You're like walking in the.
You can do it.
You're like walking in the water, ah. Come on, wave your hands and your feet.
There, oh, you're in the middle now. Come on, come on.
I'm almost there.
Yeah, you're almost there. Come on. Oh, you can do it, no? Kaya nyo din side to side, oh. Oh, come on. You hold here. No, on the... Yeah, here. On the phone, you hold there.
Magkano bayad niyo dyan at solong-solo niya yung pool?
Private pool, check. Makapag ano nga dyan, private pool, private pool.
Wow. There's another floating.
Oh, yeah. It's
Yeah.
for the lifeguard, I think.
Yeah.
There's no lifeguard here.
It's like a big donut, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. But this is not a donut.
Yeah.
Stay there, I'm going to swim, okay?
Pa yata ni Kuya pakita yung paano siya lumangoy eh. Oh. Ah, underwater si Kuya, oh.
Hello?
Hello.
Here's Tintin on the other side of the pool. Oh. You already had your... I will take your picture, solo picture later, okay? Wow. Sexy. Wow. Oh. Whoa.
Right?
Toing.
Knee. Right.
Wow.
Careful, baby.
Wow.
Careful. Okay, you sit down now. You sit down now. Careful. Say hi to Nanay. Hi, Nanay.
Hi, Nanay.
Come on, let's swim.
Come on, let's swim. Yeah.
Ah, nagkutaw na naman.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go on.
Okay. Hold on to your pool noodle and then swim. Oh.
Come on. Follow me.
You're not afraid anymore.
So you close your mouth, okay? Pag nakapalubog siya, nakapasi yung bibig niya eh.
Alam mo ko naririnig may nagbibideo okay in one of the units eh.
Close your mouth.
Ang kanta niya, ano ba yun? Tagalog eh, video ko sila eh. Parang dito sa second floor. Wow, nice. Come here to me, baby, come here.
Huh?
Come here, baby. You see?
Come on. You follow me. Like this. Good job. Yeah, you can do it. Di na siya takot. You're not afraid.
No, not
Pag yung
anymore.
may nag-video, okay.
Oo nga eh.
Pilipino.
Panaginip ko laging ika. Kahit
Kanina
na...
anak eh.
Ito na. Malapit na sa ano.
Ooh, you're almost there. Come on.
Kumusta ka?
Hold here.
Hey, yay! Say Leron Sinta.
Hello, Tita.
Relo, Sinta. Kuto.
Buko ng papaya.
Come on. Oh, it's a bee. Oh no.
Oh, it's a flying
Following me.
creature. There's a flying creature.
Flying creature.
A flying creature.
Yeah.
Okay, go back to your pool noodle. Hold on to your pool noodle and swim.
Yeah.
Alright.
Slowly.
Hold on. Good. That's
Kanina
it.
nalingat siya eh. Bumitaw ng isang kamay. Sinapalubog tuloy siya. Kapit ulit siya. Come on.
Wow.
Go hold my hand. Come on. You saved Kuya. I'm going to lunod.
Oh.
Come on. Come on. Faster. Ah.
Rescue, Kuya,
Safety.
dali. Say, I'm coming.
I'm coming.
Come on.
I'm coming.
Save me. Ah.
I'm going to
Save me. Come on. Oh, I'm going to lunod.
I got you.
I got
Wow.
you.
Thank you. You saved me. Come on, let's go back there. Oh. Turn around. Turn around. Para ka jet ski. Again.
One more time.
You like it?
Yes.
Oh, you're in the middle now. Oh, getting deeper.
Deeper.
Yeah.
Ano na yan?
There's more water.
1.2 na yan. Come here, come forward, Daddy. Come on, come forward here.
Wow.
Going to swim underneath your feet. Come on.
Hawak lang.
Hello. Tuyo pa yung buhok mo. Oh.
Uy, Strudel, baka makapito sa nila. Baka makapito.
Lubog. Lubog yung mga plastic.
Siguro susunod dapat lagyan natin ng string yung loob para mabilog na siya.
Sa kabilog.
Oo.
Wow.
Kaya naman yun. Hindi naman magbabalo.
Oo nga, kaya nga may butas siguro yun eh.
I cannot go to mommy.
Okay, come here, come to me.
I'm almost there. Whoa.
Come here.
Do you like this?
Ay, hindi pa ako makainom ng tubig.
Can you do that?
No. Wow.
Oh, you're not in the middle of your floating house. Paligid na paligid.
Sige, later na ulit ang video ha. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye.